What's up guys, Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 are generating a lot of excitement in the foldable market. Recently, OnLeaks and SmartTricks revealed renders that give us our first look at these upcoming devices. Let's take a closer look at the design and specs of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Galaxy Z Flip 5. The features a raised camera bump for its 3 sensors and an LED flash located on the side for a cleaner look. The frame is slightly curved on the edges, enhancing the device's sleekness. The aspect ratio remains almost the same, with a tall and narrow outer display and a nearly square inner display. Fold 5 will be thinner than its predecessors, thanks to the new droplet hinge design. This will eliminate the gap when the device is closed, providing a smoother user experience. Feature a 7.6-inch primary display, a 6.2-inch external screen, an under-display selfie camera, a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, and more. It will also have Gorilla Glass Victus 2, IPX8 water resistance, S Pen support, improved speakers, and Android 13 OS. New, larger cover display steals the spotlight in these renders. It has a 6.7-inch internal foldable display and a larger 3.4-inch cover display with a unique shape reminiscent of a PC folder icon. This quirky design may bring new software features, as Samsung is reportedly adapting the software to match the cover display's irregular design. The 3.4-inch cover display is a significant upgrade from the 1.9-inch display on the Galaxy Z Flip 4, allowing users to accomplish more without unfolding the device. But recent reports suggest they may launch earlier than expected. As the foldable market evolves, Samsung's new releases are sure to be exciting additions, expected to have a triple camera setup, featuring 50MP, 12MP, and 10MP sensors. The relocated LED flash on the side adds to the device's clean and polished look. While there is no official information yet, it's likely that Samsung will improve the Galaxy Z Fold 5's battery life, ensuring users can enjoy their foldable device for longer periods without needing to recharge. New foldable devices, we can expect Samsung to introduce new and updated accessories, such as protective cases, screen protectors, and possibly even new S Pen designs compatible with the foldable screens. Although there is no official information about the pricing and availability of the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip 5, we can expect these devices to be priced competitively within the foldable market. As the release date approaches, more information about pricing and availability will likely surface.